Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and today we'll be doing the dragon head build. Alright, so before we get into what's going on here, I just want to show you the different parts of the dragon head. So, we have his power base, which is the battery. The smart hub, which also connects the Bluetooth to the iPad and allows you to send code and make the robot dynamic. On top of his head, we have a motion sensor so that when I put my hand in front of it, it triggers its jaws and the audio you heard. And then right here, we have the motor. I'm just gonna stop it for a quick second. We have the motor right here, which is connected to his jaw. And so when the motor turns, the gears connect to his jaw, move as well. But it only makes a noise and it only moves when something goes across its face and is detected by the motion sensor. So that is the dragon head build. If you would like to build this with the WeDo Lego set, the link for step-by-step instructions are in the description. Hope you had fun.